Unveiling the Beauty of Flower Show, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, flower show. This term is not just about gardens and blooms. It holds a deeper meaning in English language and culture. Let's dive into what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A flower show is, quite literally, an exhibition or event where flowers are displayed. These shows are often organized by gardening societies or communities. Here, you will find a variety of flowers, from common daisies to exotic orchids, arranged in artistic ways. It's a celebration of horticulture and plant beauty. In idiomatic English, flower show can be used metaphorically. It often describes a situation, event, or place that is very colorful, lively, and full of variety. Just like a real flower show. For example, if a party is very vibrant and colorful, someone might say, "It's like a flower show in here." This metaphorical use adds a layer of richness to the phrase, making it a favorite in descriptive language. In English-speaking cultures, referring to something as a flower show can sometimes imply that it's overly elaborate or excessively decorative. This usage is less common but can be found in certain contexts, especially in artistic or fashion discussions. Understanding this nuance can help non-native speakers grasp the subtleties of English expressions. To incorporate flower show into your conversations, remember: 1. Use it literally when talking about actual flower exhibitions. 2. Use it metaphorically to describe something full of life, color, and diversity. 3. Be mindful of the context, as it can sometimes have a slightly negative connotation of being too showy or decorative. I hope this exploration of flower show has added a new and colorful phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is like a garden. The more you nurture it, the more it blossoms. Until our next video, keep practicing and enjoying the beauty of English. Goodbye for now.